Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up Peacock TV on your Roku device. Just follow these easy instructions and you'll be ready to stream your favorite shows, movies, and live content in no time. Step 1. Turn on your Roku and TV. Power on your Roku device and make sure it's connected to your TV and a stable internet connection. You should see the Roku home screen appear. Step 2. Go to the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to access the main menu. From here, you'll find all your installed channels and streaming options. Step 3. Open streaming channels. Scroll down the menu and select streaming channels to open the Roku channel store. This is where you can browse and add new apps, including Peacock TV. Step 4. Search for Peacock TV. Select Search Channels, then use the on-screen keyboard to type Peacock. When Peacock TV appears in the search results, highlight it and select it. Step 5. Add the channel. Choose Add Channel to install the Peacock TV app on your Roku. Wait a few moments for the installation to finish. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message saying the channel has been added. Step 6. Launch Peacock TV. After installation, select Go to Channel or find Peacock TV on your home screen. Open the app to begin the setup process. Step 7. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Peacock account, select Sign in and enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, visit peacocktv.com on your smartphone or computer to create one, then return to your Roku to sign in. Step 8. Start streaming. Once you've signed in, you'll see the Peacock TV home screen. Browse through the categories, select what you want to watch, and start enjoying your favorite content right away. That's it. You've successfully set up Peacock TV on your Roku device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful streaming tutorials.